we don't want, so we'll just say underscore. It's ugly, but anyway. Okay, so on top of this, we need to have public function call with method and array of parameters. If not this model, then this model is a new, this model is a new See, I actually want this in a trait, because I'm going to have a lot of these methods and I want to have the calls separately. So data object query trait. Oh. Well, I mean, maybe for the moment that's not what I want. Maybe I just want to dump this all into one file, just for the moment, because I'm a sucker for punishment. Private query methods is like this. So the way these things usually work is that like a static method call, this is actually called static, which means getModelName needs to be a static function. Well, not really, because needs to be private static, because I'm going to have to call it in a static context. So if in array, and this is needle haystack, method this query, oh, we don't have this. Static query methods like that. I feel like, well, I guess that's got to happen. And then this is generator. This is query. Query is new that. This query method. Oh, we actually have to call array. Return call user method array. No, why are we even assigning that? We don't have a this. Query method parameters. Okay, so this is inherit doc. I'm like going lower and lower and lower as I sink into my chair of comfort. This is param string method. This would be a lot quicker if I was using PHP Storm, but then the stream would also be a lot dumber. Array parameters and return mixed. because those methods can return anything. They're most likely to return a query instance unless someone calls first or last or whatever that thing is. Query methods. So now I have to maintain a whole array of this crap. The idea is that I would make a relationship between the method names that I want to call them and the methods on a Propel generated query. Stink. Find. What does find do? Generated query methods. Find. Give me a first. Here's a list of methods you can call. Oh, dingus. You won't get defined methods. So I need to say if method exists. In fact, what I need to say is reflection is reflection class create. What did we call this, man? Stink. Analyzer reflection class create from name. This is going to be so slow. This is going to be so slow. I actually need to cache this reflection. Now, because I don't have auto suggest, I need to go here. GitHub, better reflection. Get methods. Get methods is what I want. If has method. Can I do that? Is that legitimate? That's ridiculous. If that works, that is ridiculous. Reflection create. I should probably use something else because that is ridiculous. New instance. Okay, I can't really do that. Does that work? I guess there's only really one way to find out, is there? Let's do this, just so that this is a little bit more... I mean, it's It's very ugly. It's very ugly. Okay, so we load this the first time that we need it, and it's static, so it'll keep this reflection. In fact, I actually think I should do not static reflection is that. I think that's better than doing this invariable thing. Static get model name generator. Name, that's actually used before that, so I have to put this first. I don't think it's going to be that slow, to be honest. Shall we try this? Shall we try this over in our other project? Let me rename this to generate. And then what I just want is like a testing page. What did I auto-load with here? That's fine, I'll put that in here. Page is new page. Not even that. Query is page. Well. I actually first have to pull this into the generator. So I first have to say, okay, PHP name is not that. It is. Okay, analyzer actually needs a new method called. Well. Not that, but it needs this name. Oh. Get generated name. But then I need to expose that. Unless I have a reflection here. Okay. Public function get generated name, and I should actually change that to here. So get generated name, and I should use that. Woo! And then this should do this reflection get method. Generated name, and then what can I call on this? So this will be a reflection method. Set accessible. So load the method. I don't understand what this problem is. I don't know if better reflection is that much better, to be honest. Doesn't seem like it's getting along. Unless I just go for the simple thing, which is returning that class's get method name. Get generated name. Get generated name. Let's just do this. Return call these method. Why not? Just like that. Okay, so that returns a string. do, 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 do.